Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Madison Unfiltered. My channel, we keep it real here, we don't play. So let me show you guys something that is happening outside. So in my town, we are experiencing a freaking snowstorm. Actually, not even a snowstorm, it's a freaking blizzard. Look at this, guys. It's gonna be snowing so much. Mind you, spring sports start in like less than like 3 weeks. The snow gotta go away.
Get them banned.
Spring sports, and why are we having a whole blizzard? Let me just show you guys the outside because this is actually like insane. So this is my window. I can't see anything. I'm joking, but look, like literally the snow is so high up. This is like something here that I have for like the boiler, but other than that I can't really see anything else. Like look at that snow, guys. Like all that right there. Oh, why is she not focusing? All that snow, like it's just insane. I find the mess in my room because I have to go help my parents. If I were to go outside in that snow, the snow would reach up to here. So we're gonna go get ready to go help my parents because, you know, I'm a queen and I'm the only one inside. I feel bad, so I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna go out. I have my outfit, so we're gonna do a transition. 3, 2, 1. This is it, guys. Oh my god. And look at my shoes. I'm ready to go outside and shovel some snow. Woo, let's go. We outside, everybody. Let's scare Alanis. She's right there.
Can you please help?
Bro, I was gonna scare you.
Can you shovel?
Yes.
Cool, so.
Guys, I'm a shovel. Don't fall. My pants and buttons again. It's okay. I'm already tired. Alright, that's enough. Yeah, I had to take a break from all that shoveling. I'm going to the back of my house to go sled. Neighbors are helping my mom take her car out. They got that. I put my gloves on because my hands are turning red. I'm like in here. Oh my god, look how deep that is. Oh, hold it. Put my gloves on real quick. My phone's gonna probably like break because of the cold. 4:11 and the snow reaches me up to here. Ow! Ah! I can't get up. What if I just jump into there? Should I?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look, I found a room. You wanna try?
Okay.
Alright. Look guys, my room is right there. I'm gonna push him. Oh my god, what the hell? That's not fair. I wanna try. Oh my god, my whole leg is in the snow. Guys, we're at the park. My hair is a mess. This is a park. We're gonna go sledding. my god, guys.